love is around everywhere. Come take my hand, I'll show you, I got you. I know this place, it's deep down inside you. I know a place where people not fighting, with smiling faces around everywhere. Come take my hand, I'll show you, I got you.
What we have here is an old Toshiba. Have a look on the model number 220 CS. This is the same laptop with more power on the processor. This is an 440 CDT with Intel Pentium MMX inside. This has a standard Intel inside from Pentium. What's the problem with this? Is some key is not working. What I'm gonna do now is change the keyboard. So I peel out this keyboard and replace it in this Toshiba laptop. Is peel off this piece of plastic. We put it there, and you will see you can lift up the keyboard easily. Now you can see here some connectors. This connector must be really old, and we peel off this. Sorry for my shaking hands. I try to film with one hand and yes, there we go. It's autofocusing. We push that so like this. This side we push also. Wait. And you will see we can easily remove the connector from the keyboard, and we lift up the keyboard like this, and this is an old certification from the Windows logo on it, and here. What we're gonna do now is replace the keyboard and take a look if this keyboard functioning again. But first I clean this up and then replace it. This keyboard looks very nice now. I've damaged this button, but not wrong. You will see this is dirty and this looks very clean, but do you see that? It looks cleaner than this. And we peel off this again. We put the camera here, focusing. Oh, there he is. So like this, we try to release the connector by pushing this piece of plastic forward. You can see it's easily to remove. Now this is the old keyboard, and this is the replaceable keyboard. I put this here and take a look if it's boot up again. We do this like this way. We change the connector by pressing this voorzichtig. So squeak it, press it by like so. So it's now in it again. We lift it, we press it a little bit, and then we put this thing back and we take a look how it's be in there. So like this. I must a little bit pressure on it to it looks this. So it looks like now. We take a look of it, if it works, and we put it on now. We switch off the switch. We put it on. Look it again. We'll take a look if it works. Let's boot up. Take some time to boot this thing up. It's 90 years old and it still looks like a beauty. Everything on it, it's okay. Look at this compact disc, and we have a desktop. We take a look of if the mouse works. Yes, the mouse works again. It's so nicely, so yes, yes, that's the boot up sound. We're almost there. What's wrong with this keyboard? This keyboard of malfunctioning. The key P are not working. This key is also not working. Some other keys doesn't work anymore. So I replace it and take a look if the problem is solved. If it's working it again, I don't know. We tried it out in the old office. And yes, there it is again. And this is, yes, like a piece of crap. It's broken or something, I don't know. I can't put it back, but I take a look on it. No, it's stuck, it's broken or something. Broken off. I don't know, it's so... Oh, that's nice. Toshiba is fully boot up. And now we take a look if there are any failures on this thing again. So with this keyboard, the P and this key is not working. We take a look if this key working, and so yes, it's nice to it's working again. Sorry for my bad English, but I'm trying to tell you this is very easy to change. It's another model, but it's the same keyboard, it's the same connectors. but only the difference is this is have a faster CPU. This is have a slower CPU with less memory on the hard drive, less memory to work on with it with Windows. Like this have maybe 512 MB, this have 265 MB. It's not really how you say that. I don't know, but we take a try of the letter P is working again. No, P is not working. How that's possible? That's strange. I don't know why, but maybe it's on the main board. Is something stuck or broken? I don't know, but and you will see this is very original. This is original no, this is not original Windows, but the owner have the now owner, but the previous owner have installed official Toshiba, and everything on the hardware is working. It's so nice to work with it. And this have now we have it about the memory again. This have 32 or 32 I don't know how you call this, but 0 MB RAM. System runs 80% unavailable. File system 232 bits. I don't know how you call 230. I don't. It looks like dirty, but I must learn that word. Maybe I can say it in the next video. Yes. What's wrong with? No, there's nothing wrong. But what I like is this vintage laptop have the function to read CDs. This is a 90s laptop for 90s kids, and we have here a CD. We put it in and play the music what I like in the 90s. It's have a beautiful sound. It's nice sound. It's not cracky or something. But if you boost up the volume, it's crack. Sound like. Oh. Yes, and we have music.
Ready for launch.
Do you remember this? DJ Jean, ready for the launch. Let's have beautiful sound. Look, here. Oh, that's an epic number. It's have stereo on it. This is stereo laptop from Toshiba, and I love this laptop. It's so old and unique, and I love this thing. Do you hear the crack? That's what I mean with too loud volume. And the battery is about to die, but I don't give a fuck. Lols. Maybe I can't. Maybe I try to fix this again, but I don't think so. It looks like I used this all Toshiba for parts for these. If these have hardware errors or hardware is broken, I can take out here the hardware and put it here in again. What I've done that is change the keyboard. So how about easy? So very easy. But I have a nice surprise for you. That is my oldest Toshiba. I will take a look on it. Look at this beauty. Toshiba Satellite 200 CDS with mono speakers on it. Disk drive. And power on. This has an internal power supply. This is internal. This is not internal. But look at the back side. Maybe more light. But I love this. Look, this USB